buik, buik, abdomen, buik asemhaling, buik asemhaling, abdominal breathing, buikbreuk, buikbreuk, abdominal hernia, buikholte, buikholte, abdominal cavity, buikpyn, buikpyn, abdominal pain or stomach pain, belly pain, buikspraak, buikspraak, ventriloquism, buikspeeksel, buikspeeksel, pancreatic juices, buikvliesontsteking, buikvliesontsteking, peritonitis, buikswangerskap, buikswangerskap. This is an abdominal pregnancy. It's a pregnancy that takes place outside of the ovaries and fallopian tubes. Buikloop, buikloop, another word for diarrhea.